Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Kynthei University, Meghalaya.
Ka jingile ka combat sports ha kanika than kala jam sha weipat umaumer la thung ya ka damer bha rumnong kum ka head coach Jong ka United Jiu-Jitsu Association India Northeast ha Meghalaya bat kala yo ya ka kardan blue belt ka ba palong ya ka kum ka Kynthei ka Nyngkong ha kanika than ban yo ya ka Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu blue belt ka damer bha ka dei ka nong yakura ka ba Tibet ha ka mixed martial arts ka bala yo jingero ha ka jingplat im yakimran bat ka nong shat Bharatnatyam ka ba pau na shalong kala yo rungru ha ka kardan Nyngkong ha India bat ha ka kardan ka ba pra ha Asia ha ka weight class jongka kala peniru ya ka sap yele kai ha ki babun kirinsan bat kala yo khoru ya ki takmak siar ha ka AJP Abu Dhabi Jiu-Jitsu Pro Championship kabala long ha New Delhi ka damer bha ka deiru ka wei na kinong seng ya ka IDM Fitness and Fight Club ringkat bat ki paralok jongka u Mevin Saukme bat u Yarab Bor Singh Kharbani ka jingthung yaka kum ka head coach Jongka Ujai Northeast bat ka jingyo yaka kardan blue belt kala pelong banyo yaka jingithu bapura nak ka Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu ha kanika than da kanika jingjob ka ba crowd Jongka damer bha ki paralok Jongka u Mevin Saukme bat u Yarab Bor Singh Kharbani kila kiu kardan da ka bayo ya ki white belt kanika penpau ya ka jingkiu shaprang jongki ka jingbur rinti ya ki bud jingile kai bat ka jing ai tilot ha kanika kam ya le kai da ka jingyo ya ka nongrem ka baskem jong ka Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu hapo ka jelam jong ka damer bha ha ka IDM Fitness and Fight Club menta kala plelat ya ka sinjam bathamai jong ki nongile kai combat sports nakathan shatai lam mingi ban mi khmat ha ki lempung yakob ki bahe shushu
So this guy is a coach. He's been boxing background, super good, super regular. He's like a mentor to a lot of people. Then we had a lot of time to come here and doing here, all the way from Jong. So yeah. If you guys are bored with them, you train with them, you've seen it in ACC, turns out, competes, and gives it a go. He's also a coach, there are a lot of students training under him. There's a gym in Shillong called IDL. So there are affiliates. And they have been following our system, and they've been teaching our curriculum, and their guys are really getting good. And every few months they come here, they train with us, they coaches train from us, and then they give back to their home city. And then when we go see them in competition, they're doing the techniques we have worked on here, and they're doing it sometimes better than what our guys are doing. So I gave the I is promoted. Now it's time for maybe and to come up. Keep it in the place where it is. One big belt I have to give out. This one is quite special to me because the guys who know You know, some of the guys been training with me for a really long time, and I have a special connection with people who started off with me when they were very young. So Krish is one of them, and there was one other person who was like Krish, same age, started at the same time. This small, which started off, and now she's not this one. So really happy and really proud today to announce a leader. She started off like this, but she's become a leader, someone everybody in the Northeast looks up to. So come here. She and Krish started together and really good journey, so I'm so proud of her. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. It's a happy moment, not a sad one. Well, that's good. For all the guys who know, who've trained me for a long time, you know, like, how special the mayor is to me. You know, she's been coming here forever, she's been training forever, comes to all the way from Shillong, and could not be any more proud of everything that she's done. So I'm so proud.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.